Hello everyone, welcome to Roni Tuitions Maths as Fun. Today we are going to learn the mathematics 8th standard linear equation in one variable in that exercise number 3.2. In that there are all are the statement problems, means verbal problems are there, that are if you question number 1, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? So solution what will come in that, let the number is x, let the number is x number. In that it is telling subtract, you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, so means we subtract 1 x minus 1 by 2 subtracted and multiply the result. Suppose that some answer came, in that you are multiply by the 1 by 2, then you get the 1 by 8, you get the 1 by 8. This is that. Now we can write in that this is in multiplication, that side will go, this is called the RHS, this is the LHS. From LHS goes to the RHS side, then the multiplication change into division, division change into multiplication, addition change into minus or subtraction, subtraction change into addition. So we can write it like this, x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8, and this is division. Division means it will become the reciprocal of that, 2 by 1. We can write 2 by 1. It can be written like this. See, 1 by 8 divide 1 by 2. Then we can write 1 by 8 into 2 by 1. This type we can write. Now the 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. So we can write x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4 because of 1 and 4 1 ja 4. Now this is in subtraction, that side will go, then it will become the division. Then x is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Then x is equal to what? In 4 and 2, the LCM is the 2 and then 4. So 4 LCM. So we cross multiply on that, 1 and 2. 1 2 ja 2 plus 4 1 ja 4 plus 4 by 4 into 2 8. So we can write it like this in this way. Otherwise by the taking the LCM, then 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2, the LCM is 4. 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1 and 1 multiplied by 1. The 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So what we got? 3 by 4. Here also we will get the same only. X is equal to 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 6 by 8. So 2 3 ja 6. 2 4 ja 8. Then x is equal to what we got? The 3 by 4. So now what is the number? The number is 3 by 4. In that number, if we subtract 1 by 2 and multiply by 1 by 2, so we will get the 1 by 4. Please like the video, share and subscribe the channel for the others also. Now the question number 2. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meters. Suppose that it is a rectangle pool is there, swimming pool is there. In that suppose that it is A, B, C, D. And its parameter means from A to B, B to C, C to D, D to A. And it is total is 154 meter parameter. Its length is 2 meter more. This is length 2 meter more than twice the breadth. This is the breadth. What is the length and breadth? Let the breadth is x. Solution what you have to give? Let the breadth is x meter. Then what will be the length? Length will be that, see it is telling twice, so 2x. Okay, 2 more plus 2, that is meter. That meter is the length will become. Now it is telling the perimeter. The perimeter of rectangle what? Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is always 2 into length plus breadth. Length plus breadth. Now 2 into what is the L? L we found the 2x plus 2. And what is the B? X meter. X meter is equal to how much given total? Total given 154 meter. Given 154 meter given. So we can write it like this, 2x and x 3x plus 2 is equal to how much? 154. Now this 2 is in multiplication. That side will go, then it will become the division. So we can write it like this, 3x plus 2 is equal to 154 divided by the 2. This is in multiplication. In RHS side went, then it will become the division. Now we are cancelling it, so it will become the 7 2 14 and 7 2 14. 77. Then 3x is plus 2 is equal to 77, means 154 divided by 2 means 77 it will come. Now this is the addition, that side will go, then it become the subtraction of that. So we can write it 3x is equal to 77 minus 2. Then 3x is equal to 77 minus 2 is equal to 75. This is in multiplication, that side will go, then it is become the division. No sign. No sign means multiplication in that. X is equal to 75 by 3 is equal to 25, because of 3 1s are 3, 3 25s are. Then x is equal to what? 25 meter. We go. Now it is asking ki what is the length, what is the breadth. So breadth we thought that breadth is the 25 meter. Breadth is equal to 25 meter. Now what is the length? Length will be the, in that what we thought that 2x plus 2 means 2 into x. Actually what? We got 25 plus 2. The 25 2s are 50 plus 2, 50 plus 2 is equal to 52 meter. So what is the length of that? The length of that swimming pool is 52 meter. Let's taking the next question. That is the question number 3. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. Now we have a one triangle. Suppose that this is our triangle. It is isosceles triangle, means two sides are equal. A, B, C. In that AB is equal to AC we thought. Okay, that are the equal sides, AB and S. That is the equal side. It is telling the base. This is the base of this triangle. So means this is the 3 by 4 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is this much, 2 by 15 centimeter. What is the length? Suppose that the equal length, this side length is x and this also will be x, because of both are the equal in that isosceles triangle. So what will give the solution? Let equal side, that is the x centimeter. So another what also will be the x only, first side. Then another also will be the x only, because of both her sides are equal. Isosceles triangle. In that isosceles triangle, AB is equal to AC. So means x centimeter it is. So what we can write, and this is the BC already given. So perimeter of isosceles triangle is equal to what? 2 into one side, equal side, plus third side. 2 into one side, which side is? That is the equal side, plus third side. Otherwise the three sides are also can be written. So here we written AB plus BC plus CA means is equal to how much given it is? It is given 4 2 by 15. 4 2 by 15 it is given. Now AB how much? We took the x. BC how much given? 3 by 4. And CA how much it is? X is equal to what? 4 2 by 15 centimeter. So x and x what become? 2x plus 3 by 4 is equal to what? This is multiple, and then it is a mixed fraction. We have to change into improper fraction. So 15 4 ja 60. 60 plus 2 62. 62 by 15. So now this number is in multiplication. That side will go. Then it will become the minus. So 2x is equal to 62 by 15 minus 3 by 4. Now 2x is equal to what? This number multiplying by the 62 into 4. 62 into 4 is equal to what? 128. Sorry, 248. Minus 15 3s are 45. By 15 15 4s are 60. Then 2x is equal to 248 minus 45 by 60. Then 248 minus 45. So we can write it like this. 2x is equal to 248 minus 45 is equal to 203 divided by 60. Now this 2x is in 2 is the multiplication for x. That side will go, then it will become the division. Then x is equal to 203 divided by 60 into, this is multiplication, reciprocal we do. So what will become it is? It will become the 2 by 1. So 2 1s are 2, 2 30s are. Then x is equal to what we got? 203 divided by 30 is equal to, then x is equal to what? We are changing into mixed fraction. So 30 6 ja how much? 180. Now how much remaining? 23 remaining. 23 by 30. That much centimeter is the both side. This side and this side will be the 6 into 23 by 30 centimeter. The x also, this also, AB also and AC also. Next we are going to take the question number 4. In that question number 4, we have to find that sum of two number is 95. Two number are there, that if we add them, then it become the 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, one number is more than the another number, and that is the 15. Find the number. Let one number is x. Then another number, what will be the another number? It is telling that it is exceeds the 15. Another number will become x plus 15. And it is telling sum of two numbers. Then if we add this both number, then it becomes the 95. Then according to the question, x plus 15, both numbers, sum of both number added, then we got the 95. It is given in that. So x plus x, 2x plus 15 is equal to what? 95. Then 2x is equal to what? 95 minus 15. This side will go plus is there, this side will go, then minus it will become. Then 2x is equal to 95 minus 15 is equal to how much? 80. Then x is equal to what? 80 divided by the 2. This 2 is multiplication, that side will go, then it will become the division. So then 2 40 is 80. Then x is equal to what? 40. So one number is the 40. What will be the another number? One number is this number. One number is x, we thought na, that is the 40. Another number, what is the another number? Another number we written x plus 15. So x value what we got? 40. 40 plus 15 is equal to 55. If we both number we add it, so it will become the 95. So what are the both number? One is the 40 and one is the 55. Let's taking the fifth question. I know you are understanding the question. Understanding the question means you should like the video and share also for your friends. Now, two number are in the ratio of 5:3. If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? Two number are in the ratio of 5. Two number are there. Suppose that any number x is there. In their ratio is that ratio of numbers. Then in x form. So we can write it 5x is to 3x we can write. If they differ by 18, if we subtract it, so what are the numbers? If that we are doing, then it will become equals. Means 5x minus 3x, then we got the 18 we getting. What we are getting? 18. So what are the numbers? 5x minus 3x is equal to 2x. 2x is equal to what? 18. Then x is equal to what? 18 by 2. Because of it is multiplication, that side will go, then it will become the division. Then x is equal to 9. 2 1 ja 2, 2 9 ja 18. X is equal to 9. So first number what will become? First number what is that? 5x. So 5 into 9 is equal to 45. Second number what is there? 3x. Then 3 into 9, x value 9 we got, then is equal to 27. So these are the numbers. Which are the number? 45 and 27 are the numbers. The numbers are 45 and 27. Their ratio will be the 5:3 only. Taking the sixth question. Three consecutive integers add up to 51. Three numbers are there. Suppose that any numbers are there, 1 2 3 4 5 there. So what is the difference in that? If 1, then we are adding into another 1, then it become the 2. 2 plus 1, then it become the 3. 1 1 we are adding integers, and consecutive integers add up to the 51. What are the? Let the first number, one number is x. Then what will be the second number? Second number will become x plus 1. Third number what will become? Third number it will become the x plus 1, or in that also plus 1, because of this is second. So see 1 2 3 4 5 like this. So 1 plus 1, so it will become the 2. Then 2 plus 1, it will become the 3. Then 3 plus 1, it will become the 4. Like that. 1 1 we are adding. So here also the first number is x, behalf of that x. In that number what will become? X. This is the x we thought x. Then x plus what? 1. Then 2. Then what? this number we got that this is 2, so in that also 2 plus 1 means this is the x plus 1 our x plus 1 plus 1, then that are, so it is telling the add up, we are total adding x plus 1 and x plus 1 plus 1 is equal to how much they are giving, 51 they are giving, how much they are giving, 51, so x 3x plus what, 1 2 3 plus 3 is equal to what, 51, then 3x is equal to what, 51, this is a sub addition, this side will go, then it will become the minus 3, 3x is equal to what, 51 minus 3 is equal to 48, is equal to what, 48. Now x is equal to what, 48, divide by this is in multiplication, that side will go, then it will become the division 3, so what will come in that, 1 and 6, 16 3 is 48, then x is equal to what, 16, one number, so we got the 16, another number what, x plus 1, second number, so 16 plus 1 is equal to what, 17, what is the next number, it will become the 16 plus 1 is equal to what, it will become the 18, is equal to the 18, so numbers are what, 16 17 18, if we add them it will become the 51, so the numbers are 16 17 and 18, these numbers are. Taking the next question, that is the question number 7. The sum of three consecutive multiples of 8 is to 888. Find the multiples. So first we have to understand what is the multiple. Multiple means table. Multiple of 8 means 8, 16, 24, 32. These are so on. These are the multiples of 8. Means what we are, that if the first number is x, then second number what will become, x plus 8. Multiple of that, because of this, in that what is the difference is there, 8, in that also 8 difference are there, 8 number are there, because of 8 table is, in 8 table all numbers are differ by the 8 only, so third number what will become, x plus 8 means x plus 16, 8 plus 8 16, so these are the numbers. Let first number, what is the first number, x, then what will be the second number, and it is consecutive means number wise continuous, second number is the what, it will become the x plus 8, next third, it is given the third number, and what is the third number, x plus 16, and if we what to doing sum of that means all we add x plus 8 and x plus 16 adding, then what will become, it will become the 888 becomes. Now we 1x 2x 3x total become the 3x plus how much, 8 plus 16 24 is equal to 888. Now 3x is equal to what, 888 minus 24, then 3x is equal to what, 888 minus 24, 8 minus 4 4, 8 minus 2 is equal to 6 and 8. Now x is equal to what, 864 divided by 3, then x is equal to what we got, this we are dividing it, this 864 divided by the 3 2s are 6, what remaining, 2, drop down the 6, 3 8s are 24, then 2 remainder taken, then 4 2 6 3 8s are 24, 288, what we got, 288. Now the next number, what is the, this is the x value came, means first number is 208, second number what, the second number will be the second number means what, x plus 8 means 288 plus 8 is equal to what we got, 296. This add 88 plus 8 is equal to 96. Third number, what will be the third number, will be the this number x plus 16, so 288 plus 16 is equal to what, we are adding in that 8 plus 6 14, 1 carry 9 and 1 carry 10, 1 carry and 304. So third number is, so what are the numbers, one number is 288, second number is 296, third number is 304. These are the three numbers we got. You are understanding the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel if you are new one. Question number 8 we are taking. Three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Find these numbers. Let the three numbers are there, and that is the conjugative numbers. Conjugative numbers, it is written conjugative integers. So let the first, which are the three numbers? So first three, let first number is x. Second number, what will be the second number? Second number what will be the x plus 1. Third number, what will become the third number? Third number will become the x plus 1 is equal to x plus 2. These are the three number. Now it is telling taken in increasing order. This is increasing order. This is small, big and big order, and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4. This is multiplied by 2, this multiplied by 3, this multiplied by 4. Then they add up to 74. Now according to question, this number is multiplied by the 2. So x multiplied by the 2. So 2 into x is equal to what? First number it is. Then 2x. Then x plus 1 multiplied by what? Multiplied by the 3. Multiplied by 3. So what we can write? 3x plus 3. 3 into x, 3x, 3 into 1, 3. Now third number what will become? It is the x plus 2 multiplied by 4. So what we got? 4 into x, 4x plus 4 into 2, 8. And this we add up. If this number we add up, then we got the 74. Now adding to them, 2x plus 3x plus 3 plus 4x plus 8 is equal to how much we got? 74 we are getting according to the question. So 2x, 3x and 4x. Total how much become? 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4, 9x plus 3 plus 8, 11 is equal to 74. Then 9x is equal to 74, and this is a plus, that side will go, then what will become? Minus 11. Minus 11. Then 9x is equal to what? 74 minus 11 is equal to what? 63. Next, x is equal to what? 63, and this is in multiplication, that side will go, then it will become the division. Then x is equal to what? 63 divided by 9 is equal to what will come? 7. X value we got the 7. So what is the first number? We got the first number is what? First number is x. So first number is x, means 7. X is equal to 7 we got. Second number, what is the second number? X plus 1, means 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Second number. Third number, what? X plus 2, means 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. If we then multiply these numbers and we adding them, then the answer will come the 74. So the three numbers are 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. So that are. Next we are going to the next question. That is the question number 9. Question number 9. The age of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio of 5 to 7. 4 years later, the sum of their age will be 56 years. What are their percentage? What are their percentage? Let the ratio in x form. Let ratio in x form. So we can write in that way, 5x is to 7x. This we can write. 4 years later, means after the 4 years, the sum of their age will be the 56. 4 years. So this also 4 years. After 4 years. After 4 years, their age. What will become? 5x plus 4, and that side will become the, this is the Rahul age it will become. And Harun age what will become? Harun age will become the 7x plus 4. If we add them, sum of that, what is the sum of that? If we add 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 is equal to what they will become? 56 years they will become. What they become? 56. Now 5x plus 7x is equal to how much? 12x plus 4 plus 4 how much? 8 is equal to what? 56. Then 12x is equal to what? 56. This is an addition, that side will go, then it will become the minus. Then 12x is equal to what? 56 minus 4, 8 is equal to 48. Is equal to what? 48. Then x is equal to what? 48 divided by the 12. Then 12 1 ja 12, 12 4 ja 48. Then x is equal to what? 4. X value we got the 4. Now what is the age of Rahul? Rahul age it is telling. Rahul age. Rahul age, it will become the, what is that? 5x. Means 5 into x. 5x means 5 into x. X value what we got? 4. X value what we got? 4. So is equal to 5 for the 20. 20 years. Rahul is 20 years. Now Harun age. Harun how much? Harun given 7x. So 7x means 7 into 4. X value 4 we got is equal to 28 years. So Rahul is 20-year-old and Harun is 28-year-old. Now we are going to take the next question, that is question number 10. Question number 10. Now in that it is given the number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio of 7:5. In a class is there, in that boys are there, girls are there, and that are let ratio in x form. So what? These are the boys, these are girls. Boys what become 7x, girls become the 5x. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. So the second what telling, the number of boys is 8 more than number of girls. Means in girls we add the 8, then the boys and the girls both will become the equal. What is the total strength? In that we add at. This is the 7x. In that 5x. This is ratio. Means we can write the 7x by 5x. 7 by 5. This is. In that we add the 8. Then the boys will become the equal. Boys become the equal. Let the number of boys are x, or that is girls are x. Let number of girls are x. Then boys what will become? Boys will become the number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. 8 more. So now boys how much become? Boys will become the x plus 8. Boys will become the x plus 8. And it is telling in the ratio, in that the ratio. Means if we write this one in the ratio, boys by girls means x plus 8 by x is equal to what the ratio of that? 7:5. 7:5. If we are cross multiplying it, then what will become? 5 into x plus 8, and that is the 7 into x, 7x. Now if we are doing it, then 5 into x, 5x plus 5 8 40 is equal to 7x. Now this number we taken going, so 40 is equal to 7x and 5x is side going minus 5x. Then 40 is equal to what become? 2x. 7x minus 5x is equal to 2x. Then x is equal to what? 40 divided by 2 is equal to what? 20. Then x is equal to 20. What we thought? Number of girls is 20. Girls is what? 20. Girls is 20. Now boys how much will come? 8 more than that. So 20 plus 8 is equal to what? 28. 28. And that is the ratio of that. Okay, girls and boys. If we divide it by the 4 ratio, means 28 is to 20. Then 4 7 ja and 4 5 ja. So that only ratio will come. So the girls are the 20, boys are the 28. Boys are the 28. Hence, this 10 question we completed in that. Next video, it will be the remaining questions. And thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share, and forward to another needy student. Thank you.